Hi guys, PJ here. Welcome to the channel, PJ's Coin Capers. Just make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so that you get any of my upcoming videos. Hit the little bell, that'll make sure you get notified. But today I wanted to show you and give you a few examples of why you should rotate your coins when you're looking through them. Because it's easy to miss sometimes, but if you're just looking for dates and those kind of things. But this coin here is a 1966 20-cent coin. It does have a slight rotation, which is unusual. So that's the reason why I've kept it. But you can see there, I've marked on here the rotation, and you can certainly see that there is a slight rotation across the coin. It's not massive, but certainly worth keeping an eye out for. As you can see, I've got it up right there, and I'll just show you a couple of other examples of ones that I've come across that you don't see very often. And to be honest, I haven't seen any of these come up. So who knows? It could be one of a kind. I doubt it. But these ones I've found fairly early in the piece, and they're not too bad a condition. But this one here is, I've written on there 10 o'clock, but I don't think it's really 10 o'clock. It's probably closer to 11 o'clock. But you can certainly see there that just by rotating the coin, that all of a sudden it becomes something special that wasn't special usually. So you can see there, 2006. Keep an eye out for it. There may be others out there. Certainly let me know if you find anything that's of interest that you find. Leave a comment. This one's a 2014, so a more recent one. And you can see here it's got a fairly decent rotation. I've put 10 o'clock there. It's around that sort of time, or 10:30, but it is significant. It is a couple of hours off center, and well worth making sure each and every coin. Just make sure you rotate them. The bigger the rotation, the more valuable the coin will be. So guys, keep an eye out. Make sure you hit the subscribe and like button, please, and I look forward to bringing you another video soon. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.